It's Christmas time, a time in which donors give generously. And therefore, I like to help you to structure your donations for this December month. And I do that on the basis of 3 buckets. Bucket 1 is money that you spend on yourself and to those around you, your loved ones. Bucket number 2 are charities to which you feel personally attached. Your local museum, your favorite theater that you would like to support. But then there is a third bucket that you might never have heard of before, just like me a few years ago. And that is a donation bucket in which you use scientific evidence to guide your donations. And in that way, your donation can be 100 times as impactful as the average charity that you support. I'm here at Meet Tuesday in the Millennium Tower in Rotterdam, in which we just announced the top charities for the December month. We did that in 3 categories: poverty and well-being, climate, and animal welfare and the food transition. If you are curious about the most effective charities for this giving month, check out the video in which we announce the top recommendations. Merry Christmas!